Strawberries. Yummy. Yeah, let's grow some strawberries. Good idea. Should we? Yeah, let's go do that. Oh, they're still falling from the sky. Hey, who's doing this montage here? Now we're growing strawberries. So these are a couple cuttings from my garden off the runners. This is also about the same size strawberry you would get in like a 6-pack at the nursery. So it's a good starting point for your soil and fertilization needs. Strawberries like neutral pH and about a 10-10-10 fertilizer. Now as they grow a little bit, you'll start to see your first new blossoms. Strawberries do have male and female, so they're self-pollinating in the flower, but every pistil, however you say that. But anyways, there's a lot of little spots to be pollinated for a full strawberry. So if you're not getting full pollination, you might have small strawberries or misshapen strawberries. Now, they'll flower and or blossom and fruit for a period of time. So as you can see, even just on a particular plant, you have berries that are approaching ripeness, you have new buds, you have open flowers getting pollinated, and then if you jump into multiple varieties, you can really harvest all summer. Now, one thing to be careful, even though this is a really clean looking bed, some of those berries are laying down on the soil, and that's going to be probably your #1 spot where you're going to get bugs eating them. You know, earwigs, roly-polies, they can get at it there. This is wood mulch, which also you probably should be careful with. Bugs do bed down in wood, but more you can keep them up off the ground, the better you are. Just a few varieties you could check to get started. Early Glow is an early beginner friendly. All-Star is a mid-season, and then Sparkle is a late fruiter. The berries you get at the grocery store are typically picked very green. When you harvest from your garden, you'll find that, yeah, your strawberries go bad really fast. But you know what? They're so delicious, they should never sit there. Just eat them. Put them in your mouth and squish them. Now moving into runners, you can see here I've got a couple, 3 strawberry runners. Now this is in the fall for me. My plants have been done producing fruit for a while. If they were in the fruiting season, I would cut these runners off right away so they can focus on growing fruit. But there you go, small, medium, large. 3 new plants ready for next season. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, do that too. Like and subscribe. Let's go make some more stuff.